Hello and welcome to PHSC 117, Exploring Physical Science and Astronomy at Clarion University. This is your instructor, Dr. Vasudeva Rao Aravind. So in this short video, I will provide an introduction to PHSC 117 course and discuss our weekly schedule and grading policy for this class. My email is given here right on the slide. It is varavind@clarion.edu. At any point of time during this class, if you have questions, please feel free to email me. For this course, we will be following the textbook called Conceptual Physical Science by Paul Hewitt, John Suchoki, and Leslie Hewitt. Please make sure you have the copy of the textbook. It should be available on your bookstore. You will soon start needing this book for our discussions and for following up on what we are doing in the class. So please make sure you obtain a copy of the textbook. We will be exploring some topics from the textbook for this course. We'll be looking at topics involving motion, which is mostly the first chapter, and then Newton's laws, momentum and energy, gravity, fluids, heat, and electricity and magnetism, and sound. And we'll also be seeing a little bit of astronomy, the solar system, and the stars and galaxies. So these are mostly covered from the chapters on your textbook. So all the more important that you should have a copy of the textbook so that you can follow along in this class. We will typically follow a regular weekly schedule in this class. For Monday and Tuesday of the week, I will assign study material. The study material can be chapters from the textbook or recorded lessons of videos or other study material. So you are required to go through the study material. On Tuesday before 11:59 p.m. you are required to post on the discussion board about the assigned study material. In this discussion, you will talk about three things that you learned from the study material for that particular session, one question that you still have, and one response each to three of the other students' discussion posts. And we will follow a similar pattern for Wednesday and Thursday of the week as well. So again, you're required to go through the study material and post on the discussion board by 11:59 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And on Fridays, there will be a quiz based on the study material we went through during the week. So as you can see, there will be two discussions and one quiz during every typical week. This class runs for about 4.5 weeks during the winter intersession of 2021. So the dates for week 1 through week 5 or week 4.5 is given below. So we will be following a pattern of a regular weekly schedule for every week except week 5 because that's a short week. So during week 5, in addition to the regular weekly schedule, there will be a final exam that is scheduled for January 12th, the Wednesday. So a note about the grading for this particular class, please listen to this carefully because this will count towards your final grade. So we talked about discussions. So there are three things that you learn, one question that you still have, and answers to three different student responses. So there will be 9 such discussions. So as you know, there will be 2 discussions each for week 1 through 4. So that's 8. And then on week 5, which is a short week, we will have only 1 discussion. So there will be a total of 9 discussions and each discussion will carry 25 points. So that will be a total of 225 points. And then we have weekly quizzes on Fridays. So we have 4 Fridays in this class. So there will be 4 weekly quizzes and each of the weekly quiz will count for 50 points. So that will make it a total of 200 points for the weekly quizzes. And then we will have one final exam which is scheduled for Wednesday, January 12th. And that will carry 75 points. So that's a total of 500 points for the entire semester. Letter grades will be assigned as appropriate. So the tentative letter grades are 450 or above will be an A grade, 400 to 449 will be a B grade, 350 to 399 will be a C, 300 to 349 will be a D, and below 300 will be an F grade, failing grade. So good luck, and hopefully this discussion made it a little bit clear to you as to how the grading will be done and how the classes will be conducted. So good luck, and let's make it a great class. See you on D2L.